So one of our sample enterprises has the login site, SITE, and you'll see a schedule you can play around with there. It's a West Coast schedule modeled after the Palo Alto VA. You can also log in as a switchboard operator, site space SWI, and do things like send a blast page or see extra contact info or do a sign out if you need to. Talk about that more in another video, but sign outs are great for last minute, middle of the night changes by switchboard staff when normal schedulers are not at their desks. But the other thing you can do is log in with that group's admin password or your own personal password, a space, and then either one of their passwords, this one or their staff login. And that'll take you to the backdoor enterprise administrator page. So this is a little bit confusing. You'll see some columns here. There's a column with a colored icon, and this will tell you, if you hold your mouse over it, when the schedule was last updated. So cardiac surgery was last updated 10 days ago, and the black icons, I mean, it's been a little bit longer. A red X means there's no schedule published to that slot yet. A green check, if there was one here, would mean it was updated that day. Kind of handy. And then if you click on the blue arrow to the left, you can select a group, and then you'll see what these other two columns are. This column here is a group password, and that means people could log in with site space card and head straight to the cardiac surgery set schedule if they were providers who wanted to log in that way. But then this is the most important column all the way to the right. So site space CST, all lowercase, so it always starts with the staff login for everybody, a space, and then what's in this column, and that's what a lot of people miss. So site space CST is the admin publishing password for cardiac surgery, which is one license in this big enterprise. And I can edit that up here if I need to. Now that I have that row selected, I can make a change, but I won't do that here. I can click another row. I don't need to click it, but I can click it if I want to edit it. Optho, so site space SKU is what that schedule admin is going to use to publish an update for that particular group. There are other icons at the top. Some of them are used more than others. Usage statistics, I never go in there. The account info here will have all the payment history. That's one where you might spend some time. The red pencil icon lets you do things like change group information, some text. We'll talk more about this maybe in another video on its own, but software options is pretty handy. You can make sure that the shift times are turned on for everybody. Be careful with some of these options because once you toggle them on, they're on immediately. There's no save button or anything like that. Okay, that's a basic overview. I'll probably get more in depth on some of these features in a little bit, but that's it for now. Thanks.